Sida4, Data and Event Streaming Case Study. Virgin Australia Flight State Engine, FSE, replacement. The opportunity. Virgin Australia relies on dozens of in-house and third-party systems to track and report on the status of current and upcoming flights. Virgin Australia uses an in-house product called Flight State Engine, or FSE, to create an authoritative view of flight status and to stream flight state events to multiple consumers. Virgin Australia engaged Sida4 to replatform FSE, which was built on end-of-life Oracle SOA technology, with a modern, high-performance, highly reliable, high-throughput event streaming implementation based on Confluent Kafka. The FSE replacement was driven by the operational restrictions and limitations identified within the legacy system, including limited vendor support options, expensive and slow to modify or add new features, no platform for other event streaming applications, limited observability, monitoring of SOA components. Sida4's approach. To replatform FSE, Sida4 analyzed components of the old FSE and their relationships to the Oracle SOA and other elements of the IT ecosystem. This in-depth analysis allowed for a planned and phased implementation and parallel run of new FSE to introduce Kafka's streaming technology and replace old FSE in stages. Key services utilized: software development, DevOps, project management, business analysis. Key technologies utilized: Kafka Event Data Streaming, Spring Framework, Confluent.io. Key Toolkit: Confluent Managed Kafka Clusters, Self-Managed Kafka Connectors, Kafka Components implemented as Java applications. Key outcomes and deliverables. The new Kafka platform implementation of FSE went live in Q3 2021. Since then, it has met or exceeded performance and reliability requirements. The new FSE has also delivered an event streaming platform, which other business areas have used as the starting point for their own new services and offerings. Speed to market, performance, reliability, and supportability of these other offerings have also met or exceeded Virgin Australia's requirements. These outcomes were critical to both streamline and enhance the operational objectives for Virgin Australia include: new FSE up and running with no change to end-user functionality, platform, patterns, templates and blueprints for future event streaming applications, clear roadmap to replacing the rest of the outdated Oracle SOA with Kafka components. Key project statistics and success insights. Reduce cost and time to add new features moving forward. Scalable platform for new event streaming applications. Future-proofed with an architectural base for future Kafka projects. Want to know more about this project or data streaming? Call 1300 112 100 or reach out at sida4.io.